Hello everyone. So we're going to go from start to finish on how you rev a child's hair. So you first want to start off with a detangler. That's what I'm using there, and I'm going to break it down into smaller sections. It's always good to work in smaller section when you're dealing with curlier hair. So that's what we're doing here. And I'm going to break down that section even further. So you do 4 sections and then you break them down into 2. And I'm using my fingers to detangle. You can also use a comb or a brush. It's totally up to you. So I'm working my fingers through to release those tangles. You want to be sure the tangles are gone before you put them in the RevAir because that would not be good. So we're going to repeat that same step throughout his head. Okay, the next step and the most important step is to start off on clean hair. Make sure you thoroughly shampoo the hair. Get the hair all clean before you actually place the hair into the RevAir. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm shampooing his hair and I'm going to add some conditioner and we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so this next step is totally optional. We like to do a deep conditioning treatment with steam, so that's what we're doing here. Okay, so now that the hair is all ready, you want to make sure you soak up as much water as you can. You want it to be damp and not dripping wet. So if you have a microfiber towel, you want to take and try to soak up as much water as you can. And then our sections are already detangled, but if you didn't detangle before, then this would be a great time to go ahead and detangle. And you want to work in smaller sections. So break the sections in half and go ahead and place it in the RevAir. Okay, so that was easy enough. So on this next clip, I'm just showing you how you can rotate at the roots to make sure the roots are actually getting dry. So I got a little closer so you can see if you just move that one or along the roots, it's going to actually dry your roots as well. So that's what you see me doing here. And we're going to repeat that same process throughout his hair, working in smaller sections. Okay, so the RevAir dryer dries 3 times faster and is using less heat than a traditional dryer, which is way better for your hair. So we're going to repeat that on that next section and then we're going to go to the final results. But overall, you can see how much shine and luster he still has to his hair. Even though we just blow dry it, it's not hard, it's still movable, and that's what we love about RevAir. Okay, now that you know how to use the RevAir, always play around with those heat settings. We used a high heat setting and we used a tension level of 7, and we left it on for about 60 to 90 seconds. So always test out a section, and there's his finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.